Welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of the video where I'm going to show how to join the flowers together. The part 1 could be found in the description box below, and now I'm going to straight go into the joining. To join the flowers, you'll have to do the first one. So once you've completed the first flower, now you can do a second one and start joining into the fourth round. So once you're into the fourth round, you can join 3 picot of this flower to any 3 of these. So it will be always 2 petals and 1 in between this chain 4 picot. So these 3, so any of these 3, it's kind of an hexagon. And now here I've got another flower into the fourth round, and I've already done 2 petals and I'm into the third one here. And now once you're into the picot, this is where I'm going to join now with the chain 5 picot of this flower. 1 and 2, chain 2, the flower is here, and insert the hook like this. So insert into the chain 5 picot of the other flower and kind of slip stitch. That's it. And chain 2, 1, 2, and go back and slip stitch into the petal, so into the triple crochet like this. So the joining is done, you can see. So always insert the hook from the top. So this is the flower like this laid into the table, and you're going to insert from the top. Then chain 4 and continue the pattern. So chain 4, slip stitch into the triple crochet, and then into the next single crochet 1, 2, and now once you're here into the chain 4 picot, again I'm going to join same way, chain 2, 1, 2. Now place the flower again into the table like this, and this is where I'm going to join. So this is the picot, the chain 4 picot. So insert and slip stitch, chain 2, 1, 2, go back into the single crochet and slip stitch, then single crochet 1 and 2, and continue the pattern. So slip stitch, and then I'm going to complete this petal again. So chain 4 and then triple crochet 4 together. Then I'm going to join with the next one, so this picot. So here I've got my petals, and now chain 2 and place it down and go into the next petal picot like this, and slip stitch, then chain 2 and slip stitch. Oops. Chain 4 and slip stitch. So the joining is done. Once you've joined, you can see these 3 points. Now you're going to continue the pattern, finish it off as usual, and then I'm going to do another one, another flower, and then join in here. So it's going to be in 6 points, 3 with this and 3 with this one. So you can see it will look like this. Show you how to join in between 2 flowers. So in here, for example, so here I've got the flower in the fourth round. I've already done 2 of the petals here, so this is the third one, and I'm going to join this one. And to start, you'll have to start from this bit here. So you see, this is already the joining of 2 petals. This is the chain 4 picot, and this is the chain 5 picot. So I'm going to start from here and go all the way and join until here. So you will see how chain 2, insert into the chain 5 picot and slip stitch, then chain 2 and slip stitch, chain 4, slip stitch in here, and then I'm into the chain 4 now, so single crochet 2, and then I've got the chain 4 picot, so chain 2 and then go into the chain 4 picot of this flower and then slip stitch, chain 2, slip stitch back into the single crochet, then single crochet 2 to finish off. And now the next petal, so slip stitch, then chain 4 and do triple crochet 4 together. So here I've got my triple crochet 4 together, and now chain 2 and place the flower down, and you see after these two I'll be here joining this petal in between these two, so in here, so there's going to be 3 petals together. So chain 2, now insert into the middle of these two like this, and slip stitch, chain 2 and slip stitch back, and continue the pattern. Oops. And you can see now, so 3 point with this flower, 1 2 3, and then obviously with this flower as well, 1, and then 2 is going to be the chain 4 picot, and then again into the next petal in here with the chain 5 picot. So I've finished joining this side as well, so you see 1 2 3, then again with this 1 2 3, so it's actually a total of 5, but when you look individually it's 3 point with each of the flower. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.